Have you seen this? We know you've probably seen our silicone mats, and we know you've seen our silicone brushes, but have you seen the Rockler 3-piece silicone glue application kit? It includes 3 very useful silicone glue tools. The silicone glue brush is great for spreading and accurately applying glue. The silicone spreader is ideal for evenly distributing glue over large surfaces. The silicone tray is great for holding your brush or small amounts of glue for dipping. All 3 products feature the same easy cleanup as the rest of the Rockler silicone glue tools. Rinse with water or let dry and easily flake the glue away. And now you've seen the Rockler 3-piece glue application kit. It makes a great addition to any workshop.
Do you love to make things? Rockler can help you create beautiful woodworking projects. If you're new to woodworking, Rockler has everything you need to get started, including free project plans and lessons. We want to help you create with confidence.